Insert the elastic band into both sides of the chuck gap. Place part C over the seat, aligning it properly. Insert both straps through the gap between the backrest and the bottom. Pull the front elastic hem to cover and secure the plastic trim. Unfold and slide part B over the backrest with both hands. Insert both straps through the gap between the backrest and the bottom. Unfold and slide part A over the headrest. Secure the headrest by closing the lower Velcro inward. Behind the driver's seat, you should see 4 chucks. Pull these 4 chucks further to secure the cover using the chucks. The installation of the driver's seat cover is now complete. Please install the passenger seat cover using the same steps.
We've got you covered. Coverland.